Hello again. I'm going to talk to you about our no splash system and interface for the refueling port. As has been described already, this is the specific interface on the refuel port and docking system with the permanent electromagnets here to maintain the contact and lock that we need during refueling. This piece here in the middle is our actual propellant transfer line or propellant valve. This system, in order to maintain the lowest leakage possible during initial interface and docking and de-docking, uses a dual poppet system. This thing right here, that's the poppet. And this is the fuel line or the propellant line. As the two docks come in contact with each other, this little raised surface here meet on both sides. As the magnets attract the two and hold them together and maintain the connection, these are pushed out inwards against the spring on the inside. As they come in, it opens up space along the sides to allow the fluid to transfer from one to the other. The springs act as an actuator or safeguard if for some reason the two seams are separated, then the spring immediately pushes the poppets forward and close the valve. It's a very efficient way of maintaining very little or no loss of pressure or propellant. The system that we've used is designed for safety in mind. If something were to happen and the two systems were pulled apart with enough force, if there was a pressure buildup in the line for some reason, if the unexpected happened, the magnets are designed at a high enough pressure that we can maintain operations, but low enough adhesive force that before the system would be critically damaged at a burst pressure, the magnets would separate, the poppets would push the two apart and close the valve. And as was explained earlier, when we are ready for de-docking, we simply apply the appropriate current to the magnets, and the magnetic force is effectively switched off. The two springs are able to force their way out, push the poppets into place to close the valve, and the lines are separated.